Sofi update here on the 29th. So I'll go ahead and do an update here now as we are breaking out. Let's actually look at IWM. I haven't looked at IWM either. Where's that at? Okay, IWM is not really doing that much. It's up 1%, but SoFi, we broke over this demand or the supply zone, so I'm going to get rid of that. We've already broken over that. So we're bouncing out of demand. And I brought up in the last video the 333, which I still think is very valid. I'm not going to go over the move down that I'm expecting. Let's just go over this wave right here and where I think this could hit. So again, we have ABC down right here. That's the W wave. We get ABC up. What happened on this move? Where did this retrace to? A, B, right to the 1.61 fib. Then we got this move down and made a lower low down here. And then we get this big move up, a retracement to a lower low, similar to this. So where is the 1.61 fib of AB? Right at 960. So again, in the last video, I said double X will hit anywhere between the 0.5 fib, 804, we've already broken above that, all the way up to about the 0.85 fib, and look where that's at, about 960. So we have two different retracements saying around 960. We have this trend line here as well at 850. So are we going to stop at 850 or go all the way up here to 960? I would say 850 is pretty much just going to happen. It should happen for sure. But I think that 960 is very likely because, again, we are right here. This move right here is the same as this move right here. So another thing to point out, if we go to 960, this was at 1050, about $1 higher. This was about $1 lower. So we're just making lower highs, but right now we're breaking out on the shorter time frames. Lower high. And I know everyone's gonna be like, we're not going to 550. But again, I've said before too that even if this was, let's say this was A and this is a B wave, this is still not going to break out just because of the structure of this move. This is a corrective move for a C wave, so it's not going to happen. If it were breaking out, then this would have been a first wave and we wouldn't have made a new low right here. So I don't want to get too far into that because everyone's going to be like, we're not going to 550 after this. And obviously, right now, saying that is kind of stupid, but that's still what I see on the chart. So I'm getting ready to, I'll get ready to see all the no 550 comments. But again, on the short term, this wave, we're doing this wave right here. And we'll see, 850 or 950 are the two targets. And it looks like we're going there for sure. We broke above this supply zone. We're above all moving averages. 850 should be in the bag. And then again, 950 will be the next supply zone up here. When could this hit? I think probably going into Powell. So whenever that is, somewhere between the 15th and the 20th of September. This took, yeah, see, we're probably somewhere around in here. Same area. Maybe a little bit higher, maybe we're right here. And we still have a ways to go. This took another couple of weeks. So I always say too, when these moves happen, they happen day after day after day. They're never huge gains. They're always like 5, 6, 7%. And then, 3%, and then 5, 6, 7. We don't get like 20, 30% days. They want to make it hard on us to hold. They want you to do something stupid like sell covered calls or take profit early. So again, this move could last for another couple of weeks. and my max target is 960. So just wanted to point that out, the similarities to this wave right here, and then this wave right here. So that's it for this video. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe if you're not already. I added a buy me a coffee if you think that my work is helping you out at all. If you disagree with my work, you don't have to do anything. But if you think that I've helped you out, then feel free to buy a coffee. PayPal link. My account got hacked, so I took that down, and this should be a lot easier. So that's it. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe, and I will talk to you in the next video. Let's see if we can get to 850 in the next by Friday. It's very possible.